Hello students, here Gurnaam Singh, Assistant Professor Mechanical Engineering Department. So in this session, we will discuss a new topic which is related to welding shop. So in this session, I will discuss the practicals concerned to welding shop and the jobs. First of all, I will give the introduction of welding. Students, welding is the process of joining similar metals by the application of heat with or without application of pressure or filler metal in such a way that the joint is equivalent in composition and characteristics of the metals joined. In the beginning, welding was mainly used for repairing. Now these days it is extensively used in the manufacturing industry, construction industry, construction of ships, tanks, vessels, locomotives and automobiles, and also for maintenance work, replacing riveting and bolting joints to a greater extent. So, the general definition of welding is that it is a process in which two different metals are joined with the help of external heat or pressure. And for joining, additional filler material is provided by melting the electrode. So that is the working principle of arc welding. We have to prepare by using arc welding set. So in this diagram, equipments are shown: welding machine or welding transformer, earth clamp or ground earth cable, electrode holder, workbench and work table. Electrode lead or cables are connected to the terminals of welding transformer, and they are directly connected to the workpiece and the electrode holder. And inside the electrode holder, electrode is fixed. So when electrode strikes against the workpiece, an arc is generated. That is the principle of arc welding. That is the actual picture of welding transformer. Both oil and water cooled transformers are employed. It has different connections: connection for connecting lead of earth clamp, and another connection is used for connecting lead which is additionally connected to the electrode holder, current setting arrangements and on-off switches. These welding transformers are available in different sizes, but the current can be adjusted as per the thickness of weld bead to be required. These welding transformers are portables and these can be bring to at any location. Students, arc welding method is based on an electric circuit consisting of the following parts. Number 1, power supply AC or DC. Number 2, welding electrode. Number 3, workplace, work table. Number 4, welding leads or electric cables. connecting the electrode and workpiece to the power supply. Electric arc between the electrode and workpiece closes the electric circuit. The arc temperature may reach 5500 degrees centigrade, which is sufficient for fusing the workpiece edges and joining them. When a long joint is required, the arc is moved along the joint line. The front edge of the weld pool melts the welded surface when the rear edge of the weld pool solidifies and forming the joint. Transformers, motor generators and rectifier sets are used as arc welding machines. These machines supply high electric current at low voltage, and an electrode is used to produce the necessary arc. The electrode serves as the filler rod, and the arc melts the surface so that the metals to be joined are actually fixed together. Sizes of welding machines are rated according to their approximate amperage capacity of 60% duty cycle, such as 150, 200, 250, 300, 400, 500 and 600 amperes. This ampere is rated current output at the working terminals. Students, the transformers types of welding machine produces AC current and is considered to be the least expensive. It takes power directly from the power supply line and transforms it into the voltage required for welding. Transformers are available in single phase and three phase in the market. So these are the jobs of electric arc welding. Students, first job is to prepare butt joint by using electric arc welding by consuming MS flat. Students, first of all, bring long flat at the workbench. Hold that flat into the bench vise. Mark 60 mm on the flat by using steel foot rule. Now, with the help of hand hacksaw, cut a piece of 60 by 60 mm from that long flat. Now, open the jaws of bench vise and bring out that flat and place it separately on the floor of shop. Now, hold that piece in bench vise. With the help of file, remove some unwanted material and smooth all the four sides of workpiece. Now cut another piece also by the having same dimensions. Now place these two pieces on work table. Brings these near by keeping few mm distance between them. Now switch on the transformer and hold the electrode within the electrode holder and make an joint. We can perform welding from left side to right side or from right side to left side. After that, our job of butt joint is completed. Now, with the help of wire brush and chipping hammer, remove the flux from the weld bead. So, our first job of butt joint by arc welding is completed. Now, our next job is lap joint. Students, we will follow same procedure as that we have followed in butt joint welding. So what is the procedure? The material used for welding is MS flat, mild steel flat, whose thickness is 6 mm. Hold that long flat into the bench vise. Cut two pieces of 60 mm from that MS flat. Now withdraw that flat from bench vise and keep it on the floor of shop. Now smooth these two pieces by using flat and rough file by holding these two pieces in the bench vise. We can also check the right angle of these two pieces with the help of tri-scale. Students, after that, when two pieces are ready for the welding, arrange all the required tools for performing welding. Arrange face shield, welding gloves, apron, helmet, welding electrode holder, and all these things on the work table. Hold the two pieces in overlapping position. That means place one part over the other and hold these two pieces in overlapping position within the C clamp. Now switch on the supply from transformer. Hold electrode holder in the electrode holder and keep it in your hand, and also carry face shield on the other hand. Now perform welding. We can start from right side to left side or also from left to right side. After that, our welding job of lap joint is completed. So next is students, we will start our next jobs by using gas welding equipment. We will complete two jobs like butt joint and lap joint by using gas welding set. Gas welding set consists of two cylinders, acetylene and oxygen cylinder. Acetylene cylinder is painted maroon, which is smaller in height as compared to oxygen cylinder. That cylinder contains acetylene gas, and the oxygen cylinder contains oxygen gas. It is painted black. Both these cylinders are connected with pressure gauges, inlet, outlet, valves, safety valves, and pressure gauges. These gauges denotes the outlet and inlet pressure of gases. Two hose pipes are connected to each cylinders, and other ends of these hose pipes are connected to welding torch, gas welding torch. So now we will discuss the jobs of gas welding. Students, our jobs are to prepare butt joint and lap joint by using gas welding. We will follow the same procedure as in the arc welding process. Cut two pieces from MS flat with the help of hand hacksaw. The sizes are 60 by 60, 60 by 100 mm, 60 by 100 mm. After that, smooth these two pieces by using file. After smoothing, these two pieces are placed on the welding table or work table. Arrange all the required tools on the table. Now by using cylinder key, open the gases, open the cylinders, and also adjust the needle valves of welding torch. Check the amount and flame of gas from the torch. Now start welding. Hold welding torch in one hand and filler rod in another hand. By following any of technique like rightward or leftward welding, we can proceed welding. So after that, our job of butt joint by using gas welding is completed. Next job is lap joint by using gas welding. We will follow same procedure as previous jobs. Cut two pieces from MS flat of size 60 by 100 mm. When two pieces are cut, smooth these two pieces by holding within bench vise with the help of file. When these two pieces get smooth, check right angle of these with the help of tri-square. After that, arrange all the necessary tools on the work table. The tools are face shield, earth clamp, electrode holder, gloves, chipping hammer, wire brush. Now start welding. We will proceed from right to left or left to right. After that, our job of lap joint is completed. So these are the two jobs, each by using arc welding set and by gas welding set. Students, when jobs are completed, remove flux from the weld bead with the help of a chipping hammer, because that flux is not a part of welding joint and it should be removed, and it is cleaned by using wire brush. When gas welding job is completed, fold that, first of all close the gas welding cylinders by using cylinder key. Hang that welding torch at the wall hook. So check all the cylinders, transformers after completion of job.